Hello, I'm going to be talking to you about the new M18 die grinders. We have increased the power by 20%, bringing it in line with a 1,200 watt corded unit. This is the most powerful cordless die grinder on the market. We have optimized the battery angle and reduced the size of the motor housing, giving the tool better ergonomics and balance. We have also added rapid stop to our die grinder range, stopping all accessories in under 2 seconds. Another exciting feature is the spindle lock. Changing accessories is now as easy as this with just one wrench. This tool has 27,000 RPM and comes with a slide switch. We have also added the new variable speed die grinder to our range. Many accessories require running at lower speeds to gain the best results, avoid injury, and maximize the lifetime of the accessory. When working with materials such as aluminium or stainless steel, this holds true. This is the only cordless die grinder on the market to accept accessories up to 76 millimeters in diameter. I will now show you the tool in action. This tool has 8,000 to 20,000 RPM, which can be controlled here. It also has LEDs for a shadow-free view and one key, enabling you to lock the tool and benefit from our extensive cloud-based system. The variable speed model is available with either a paddle switch or a slide switch.